Wait, ayun na. Say hi. What are you doing, Tabs?
Watching.
What are you watching?
You know, good title.
Ano the title? Is that Disney or Cartoon Network? I don't know. Mhm. Can you sing a song for Lola Rossi? Okay.
She understand the girl. Here's my face. I'm afraid to tell the world what I got to say. But I have this dream where it says of me. I'm gonna let it show. It's time. I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna let you know. This is real. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. I got LA. Shine on me. Now my friends who I am. There's no way to hold in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is real.
Very good. What song is that from Camp Rock?
Yes.
Wow, from Camp Rock? Oh. How come you know the song already?
I memorize it.
You memorized it. How about your lessons? Did you memorize your lessons? No?
I don't know what to listen.
Your subjects.
Oh yeah, right.
Uh-huh.
I study.
You studied.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What else? What song? One more song. One more song. Huh?
Basketball world, rocking the show, and we're starting the song. In the basketball world, mix it all together. I only know that part.
You only know that part. Very good. Okay. How about the poem of Ate? Wait.
I don't